Happy morning, guys. Welcome to Premier Academy. It's been a very long time that we have met you in YouTube. So, we are now into the full fledged classes again after this pandemic. So, we are starting up with the crash courses, starting up in another 1 week. So, we wanted to discuss on what are the points to be covered for these crash courses, our do's and don'ts to be cracking up this May 21 exams, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, thank you. Hello students. March 1st onwards we are starting crash course for coming May examination. All the students, anywhere you are being, you can be the person to attend the class. It's a Zoom app live class. So either through mobile or laptop, you can be the person to watch from anywhere in India and other place also. So soon we are going to planning to start face-to-face class in our academy. That will be going to start from May end onwards or April beginning onwards. Now, with respect to crash course for May 2021 examination, March 1st, we are starting costing class. Welcome to Premier Academy. We'll be through our e-mode. Costing class, 8 days classing class, and followed with another 6 days for financial management class, costing and FM. Thereafter followed by economics of finance by our Bharat Kumar. All the subject we are conducting the class. Our object is learn with the concept. Entire Premier Academy, we are having the concept, all the faculties having the concept of what? Learn with the concept. So mere mugging the formula or mere mugging the provision or mere mugging the side heading alone is not criteria. You have to understand by way of concept. That's the reason all our faculty team teaching you only through by way of conceptual learning. Learn with the fun and learn with the concept. Here you can be the person to have the interaction with the faculty. There is no gap between students and the faculties. You can have the right to ask doubts also. Faculties will full-fledged manner, they will clarify the doubts also, whatever the doubts you are asked. And mere attending the class alone is not the criteria. I'll give the personal assurance, all the faculties going to cover 100% of the syllabus, including theory, including practical problem, including MCQ, as the case may be further depending upon the subjects. Mere attending the class alone is no criteria, it's not the criteria. You have to write homework also, daily basis, faculty will give homework. And you have to write test also. So, as a combined as a package only, make you declare the examination. Mere attending the class is not the criteria. Same manner, end of March or mid of the March onwards, I am going to start 14 days class for CA final costing paper, strategic cost management and performance evaluation paper. You know the importance of that paper, especially for the coming examination. ICA has released a new study material, revised study material. There they have removed marginal costing, standard costing with respect to part 1 of the standard costing, relevant costing, service sector costing, everything removed, but not strictly removed. They merged with CVP analysis. Therefore, indirectly you have to study, instead of studying directly for marginal costing separately, relevant costing separately, combined manner, they merged with the CVP analysis. It's nothing but weightage of the CVP analysis has been increased. So you can expect 16 to 20 mark question from CVP analysis itself, because all-in-one topic is called the CVP analysis. And you know the case studies, importance of the case studies. Minimum one question guaranteed from case studies will come, that to 20 mark question. So all those things again 100% coverage will be there. So learn the theory, learn by concept, do the homeworks and write the test also, guaranteed to pass. I am happy to share previous examination, 2 of my students got above 90 marks in costing, 5 students got above 80 and 18 students got above 70 marks. Similarly, track record is there for our Bharat Kumar, Shanmunan sir, Subraman sir, as well as our Vikas Oshwal sir also. All the faculties are to the core, they are justifying their duty, make use of the opportunity. Bharat Kumar also want to tell some points with respect to his class. Please, Bharat.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. So, starting up with the crash course things, what are the basic ingredients that we will try to cover classes in Premier Academy? Hari sir was briefing about. I wanted to go a bit of explanation. Concepts, we go by like storytelling. In Tamil we say, Padam Paarthu Kadai Sol. In the old schools and all, 3rd standard, 4th standard and all, they will show you so much of pictures and then they will make you think and then tell you the concept. so that your imagination power and visualization increases. We do that in Premiere. We call that as concept connecting with storytelling. Next, the most important thing is the connections. Now, the connection is majorly missing out. People think that EAS is different from SM, costing is different from FM, economics has got no connection with costing. So, like that, there are various categories. But what we do in our classes, EAS is not a separate subject, we connect with SM. So, when you connect with corporate business and functional level of SM, we connect that with business process automation of EAS. So, that they're like that, we would easily have some 50 to 60 connections for each of the subject. So, sir, when compares all the adjustments that is there, so one full sum covering up the whole financial management itself will be covered. That connection may not be directly available in the study material, but that is only by way of concept. Normally, you would not get that flow, but when you know the concept by way of a story, which Hari sir or Shanmunan sir or Vikas sir or either myself, when we do it, connecting all the other subjects, it is going to be important. Simple example, a documentation. So what for costing documentation is important, exactly SA 230 will get covered. Exactly the documentation we will cover in IS audit tools. So in that one word, if you are able to connect like this, we have like this much amount of connections. And more importantly, we will make you write the test with the time management. Because our timings has now been changed. It is no more from 2 to 5, now it is 3 to 6. And that 15 minutes time gap is missing out in some paper where there are MCQs directly they will be giving only at 3 o'clock. 2:45 they will not give. So that's the small change. So we should know how to plan. All these years we were talking about that 15 minutes time. Now we will plan accordingly in that 3 hours how you will have to manage and write that also. Next is case loss coverage. How much it is important for costing, how much it is important for SEMPE. Exactly the same coverage has to be done for law also. Strategic management also, they are asking case-based question. Law, out and out, we will easily cover some 70 to 80 case laws for inter and final. Easily we will be able to do it. Next, MCQs coverage. Separately, we will give MCQ books. That alone will not be there. In crash course, we will cover 100% like sir said. We will easily discuss some 300 to 400 MCQs in the crash course itself when you write the concept. That gets connected. Next is the segregation of ABC category. Which is more important, which is less important, and which is to be glanced. It is not like we are asking you to do a selective study like how they do it in the school. Everything is important in CA, but what to be given more priority, what is from the ICA's expectation, we do that. Next is the keywords, matching with the key paper. When the paper is evaluated, there will be key papers. So that key paper should match with the keywords that we write. So that also will be covered majorly. So these are the ingredients that we will have in Premiere Academy, and we are again very happy to share that most of the people in law have got an exemption. Some 10 to 15 people have got more than 70s in law, corporate and other laws. EASSM, the topmost mark this time is 78, and 15 exemptions in already in ITSM separately and EASSM separately. Combining FM and economics for finance, most of the people, I think some 4 or 5 people have already got more than 80, because both of them are important. Hari sir handles financial management and I handle economics for finance. So both are very important, and it is not an MCQ paper. So that's again very important. Covering up the dates for the crash course. March 1 it starts. Sir handles the morning session, I handle the afternoon session. So 1 to 8 is EASSM, new syllabus ITSM, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. 4 to 10, you will have ITSM, old syllabus, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Then after 11th to 16th, 11 to 16, you will be covering your law. And then 17 to 20, economics for finance. So 1 to 20, we cover EASSM, ITSM, law and economics for finance. So the top 20 days, you will cover costing, you will cover FM, you will cover EASSM, ITSM, economics for finance, and also your inter-law. So this is our base for you to. And the last week of the March, starting from 24 to 31, we cover CA final, corporate and economic laws. There also we will give a touch to the elective paper, which is 6D economic law. So indirectly 2 papers of your CA final would get covered. So this is our plan for crash course.
So other details I am putting in the description box itself. Our WhatsApp number is also there. Any requirement or any information you need, you can be the person to WhatsApp also. And the details available in our Premiere Academy website. And kindly subscribe our channels to get the many free videos are there for subject-wise videos. Sir itself has given, Bharat sir itself has given more than 100 videos, free videos for our students. So make use of the same. Even Shanmunan sir given more than 50 videos. Myself also given the videos. Kindly make use of the same. Okay, meet you soon in our Premier Academy. All the best.
All the best, guys. Thank you.